OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So yeah, this is a mobile that is creating a hype around us. So in this video, I will clearly explain what are the features of this mobile. So let's start with the display size. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.43 inches of a very tiny, clear looking display. It is a Full HD plus resolution. Super AMOLED 90Hz refresh rate display. Yes, Super AMOLED display. And this mobile display was protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this one comes with a decent processor. There is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, which is a 7nm base octa-core 5G processor. And this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 6GB RAM 128 and also the 6GB RAM 256 and also the 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage variants. This mobile is also getting a hybrid SIM slot so that we can expand the memory of this mobile, so don't need to worry about the memory. You have to worry about the RAM management. Just joking. This mobile also comes with the triple cameras at the backside, where you can find a 48 megapixels of main wide angle, 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 5 megapixels of macro cameras. We can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS with this mobile's back camera, and it also comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which can be used to take the videos up to 1080p 30 FPS. And it also comes with a decent battery, that is a 4500 mAh of battery, supports 30 watts of rapid charge, the standard OnePlus charge I can say. And this mobile also comes with the other features like in-display fingerprint scanner, and it also comes with that Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 features, and you will also get a charger cable and also the case included in the box with this mobile, so that is a plus point I think. And this mobile comes with the 3.5mm jack, and it also comes with the loudspeaker, not stereo. We can't expect much in this budget of I will go to tell you in this video. And this mobile also runs on Android version 11 out of the box and Oxygen OS 11 latest version. And this mobile also comes with a charger and adapter and also earphones included in the box with this mobile, and also get the case for the mobile also. And this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list those colors in the description box down below that like button. And I have also made videos about the Realme X7 Pro, Realme X7 Max, which is best, which one you should buy, what are your according to your requirements. If you not already watch them, I will leave the link in this iCards and below that like button in the description box, so you can check it out from there. And this mobile price will be around 21,000 to 23,000 rupees, so I will also add the price data in the description box down below, so you can check it out from there and get a clarity about that. So thanks for watching. That's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel.